Hello, let's kick off a speedy recovery of your formatted SD card. To demonstrate a real recovery scenario, we'll format the SD card first. Head over to this PC, locate the SD card, and give it a click to open. Here you have existing apps, documents, photos, and videos. Head back to the previous window. Right-click the SD card and select Format. Choose your file system and hit Start for formatting. Open the SD card, you will find this folder is empty. Now, let's see how to recover it. Before the lost data gets entirely overwritten, launch Syncios Savior, Data Recovery Expert, for Windows PCs, SD cards, USBs, Android devices, and other storage media. On the main interface, select the SD card you wish to recover from and hit Scan Now. A quick scan wraps up in no time. After a swift scan, some files already surface. While waiting for the deep scan to finish, browse through for any deleted files you need. Syncios Savior can restore files even before the scan completes. Review the scan results by catalog and type. Since the SD card was formatted, most files lost their names. But you can still pinpoint what you need based on file size, modification date, path, and format. Plus, click Preview to see exactly what the file is. If you want to restore it, select the items and click Recovery. To prevent secondary damage, avoid restoring data to the original drive. Choose Directory to set an appropriate output path. Hit Confirm to kickstart the recovery. Click Recover to access the output folder. Find your files under the corresponding categories. Look, the picture has been restored perfectly. Need to recover lost videos? Head to MP4. Select the video you need and click Recover Now. Pick a suitable save location and begin recovery. Locate your video under the MP4 category. It plays just fine now. The deep scan duration varies with your device's size. If you've found all necessary files, you can stop scanning. Thanks to our wonderful audience. Catch you next time for more tips and tricks.